be fun. Taking a bus from Buffalo to Toronto.
How far is that?
It's a 3-hour ride. So yeah, I was going to do a train, but the train was like 5 hours, which goes a different route, I guess, and the scheduling wasn't right. So I'm going to use this other one. It's a little bit more aggressive and just a different shape. So what's fun? This is, the art of foot care is just experimenting around, trying different burrs. But the objective is obviously to get things reduced and better, but also be comfortable. So I could have a very effective burr, but it might really jar the patient. So if they're showing evidence of that, then you switch to a different thing and try to make it more comfortable. So yeah, this is a little bit better. Yeah, see, these pinpoint little red spots are where the pain, I think, was coming from. Like little bruises under the callus.
So when I put my foot, should it be lukewarm or just cold?
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Lukewarm, room temperature, yeah.
Apple vinegar or Listerine?
Now, just plain old cheap, whatever the cheapest vinegar you can get, the cheapest Listerine, half and half. At the dollar store, you can even buy a plastic shoe box that's big enough. For $1, do all of it. You could either stash it somewhere or throw it away. A little bit more on that one I want to do.
Yeah, I try to file down the whole nail,
Uh-huh.
so I can at least tear away some of the fat off of it,
Yeah. Actually, it's kind of good that I started early. We've got some good videotaping, and then I can relax when the others get here. Okay, and just for teaching, we've got a callus here, so I might as well. I was going to use a different stainless steel burr, from Medical. That's really awesome. It's a good time to...
They have those little tools and battery operated for battery as well, like regular battery, I would believe.
Yeah, and those are okay for your personal use. Not good for me because they would just, but for